The starter has been washed and insulated. Taking of the former of the coil. This is one of the most important steps in rewinding. We always try to take it as closest to the manufacturer. The former has been taken and now the coils are been done. This is 4 poles motor, so this would be done 12x. Putting the first coils in the slots. The long insulation paper is to separate the next coil that would lap on the slot. On the second coils, it's a gradual process. Using a cloth ensures to straighten the coil, so it doesn't heap on each other. This makes it very hard to put in the coils. He uses a winding stick. It's made from bamboo. Hope you are still here. A plier is used to assist to hold the insulation paper and push it out properly into the slot. Changing the position for the next coils. The red big screwdriver is to push down the first coils, so another will rest on top of it. Another change of position.
Everybody. So your everything is skybar. So the rest is
Like and subscribe. Hope this has been educative to you. This is a harmless hammer. Almost done. We are putting in the last coil. The 12th coil, that is.
If it's different to multiply the number.
Putting in of insulation paper to separate each dot phase, U, V, and W from each other. Putting in complete dot separation paper and dot trimming the excess. Binding time. Fold the edge. Almost done. Done. Toffing of the coils, so the insulation paper are completely in the slots, so the rotor doesn't touch it and wearing it down and earthing the coils. Now the front, with the terminals. Start and finish. The diagram. Putting of 4mm sleeves. Joining, making sure it's done properly and correctly. Soldering of the joints with gas lyre and flux solder. About to bind the front, copper wire was used to first put the coils in place. Finally, binding of the front. And done. The coil is ready for perheating to apply varnish. Test time. The most critical time even for the best rewinder. And it's done and working. Checking the amperes. Temperature checking.